coming to this part, see again the cabin, what all modifications I have done in the cabin. See, the first modification which I did was dampeners for the 5 doors, and also I have done dampening for the underbody. This is what I wanted to show you regarding the dampeners which are there for the floor. See, this is the complete, so this was removed, the complete from the forward to the backward, this has been done. See, why I did for underbody was because it's very noisy and a lot of cabin noise is coming. So if I do that, and it will give me a lot of soundproofing, and the driving conditions improve drastically, though it may add on a few kgs, but it is still worth it. So that is one thing. The second thing is I've changed the speakers. So this is a tweeter. I used Morel. See, cost about 40,000 rupees. The whole dampening thing was about 25,000 rupees. The speakers are about 40,000 rupees. Morel ke thing. I have not put subwoofers. I have not even used an amplifier because this is quite good enough for my requirements. See, I don't want to make it too, because it takes up space and too much of electronics I want to avoid. So this Morel speakers, state of the art, does the job excellent. After that, I have put 2 dash cams which initially I bought the 70 MAI, very good one. See, but I had to stack up my background, so I could not have the rear view mirror was not visible, so I added on this, but I kept this. And the rear view camera, I put it inside so that I can record myself from inside. Otherwise, this is the again 70 MAI ka, see the dash cam for the rear view mirror, which is adjustable, very good. See, and I think this is a must for any off-roader. See, apart from that, I put a RAM grip for my connectivity for the Wi-Fi and for all the other things. This is again a very cool gadget which is required. Apart from that, I put a bottle holder, because as you know, Jimny does not come with anything, which has been quite helping me. It has not been coming in the way and anything. So I'm quite happy. Even if you close it, if you see here, see. Apart from that, I have used this panel here to keep my medical stuff here while traveling and all. I put these 2 panels for keeping my documents and my national flag. See, this is an important thing. See, the next important thing that I've done is I've made a roof rack, again an Alpha Racing roof rack, which is there, aluminium. See, and with 3 number strong points. So this has helped me to organize my rooftop. So basically what I carry in my rooftop is 2 sets of 20-liter jerry cans which are lockable, 1 20 liters for the fuel and 1 20 liters for the water. But you can make both 40 liters fuel. In my case, in case you are going to expedition level or total off-grid where no petrol is available, otherwise 20 liters and 20 liters is the one. Apart from that, what I have got is again a Ironman Maxi case, see, which is about 65 liters Maxi case. See, the advantage of this is that it is IP54 rated. See, dust proof, and till the time it is sealed, waterproof, lockable. So I have used a contraption to lock it into the thing. So there are 2 ways which you can use it: either drill holes and make a nut bolt, or you can use this. So this is, I picked it up from a biker store, which you can get it, or you can get it on Amazon. See, just tie it up, absolutely strong. See, this is where I keep my camping gear on, and the gear which I don't want to use regularly. See, and like my one more extra awning I'm carrying. See, then a couple of tents I'm carrying, ropes I'm carrying some shoes I'm carrying. See, and I'm carrying my hammock I'm carrying. So many things you can keep it here. So one of this contraption, and no wind noise, no reduction in fuel consumption. So this is a very stable, made for such kind of vehicles, which is lockable, and that is what I am using here. If you come inside for storage further, so this is how I use it. See, so the whole thing is kept here. So these are the 2 things. This is again a box, 4 boxes I've got. These tool boxes. See, and this is stackable. So you can 4 of them, one on top of here. You have seen me carrying those. See, so it can go. This is where the battery comes, and this can go 2 here, 4 of them. See, and the battery. So this is where my thing comes, and my clothing I keep it at the back, and one side of the place I make it for my sleeping system. Apart from that, see the whole rack has come in, see, which is costing me about 7,500 rupees. See this thing, see mole panels, and for this you have got bags which are there. See, so I am not attached it just to show you. See, so you can attach a mole bag here. See, for extra saman, you can put it here. Here stuff is already coming, and you can put again a mole panel mein a bag out here. See. So some extra stuff can come in here, see, for keeping your storage. So this is my whole storage setup for this thing. And apart from that, for extra ready use like umbrellas or a down jacket in snow or gloves or something, and a funnel, see. So there's a ready use again thing which I have put, and I can keep dumping in stuff on the go, and as soon as I require it, I just push my hand inside it and get it out. So this is again is a very important attachment for creating storage space, especially in such a small vehicle, see, when you are traveling.